Congratulations to Mistress, our lip sync survivor.
Yes,
Yeah.
no, you can turn it down.
I appreciate that. I'm an amazing entertainer. I've never lost a lip sync on Drag Race.
You look so good.
Thank you, I appreciate that.
I'm over it.
I think that Lydia had no laughs, Aja had no laughs, I think Daya had no laughs. So the fact that I was in the bottom is a kiki. You really did deserve it. It was like
That
really
actually
sickening.
really means a lot coming
Of
from you.
course. I hope you win the whole thing.
Mistress, are you okay?
I'm amazing. I'm so grateful. It's amazing to be here.
Who's she mad, y'all?
I feel like this is just bullshit.
Bullshit.
Many of y'all need it more than I do. Trust me. And that's not even shade, that's real. I'm very blessed. Baby, I could sit on YouTube and play a video game and be just fine. I'm fine.
What the fuck is wrong with you?
I feel like I was just in a different place mentally. I wasn't present in the...
What's up, honey?
Go keep talking, I'm listening.
I was bored, so I ruined lunch purposely.
Excuse me?
Mistress, you in danger, girl.
You're doing too much.
If I want to laugh, I'll laugh. My love, I was not laughing at you. I could laugh at anything I want to laugh
Nobody's...
at. But I was
Anyways.
Like I was saying last week, I wasn't mentally here, but now I am.
Are you? I look forward to seeing it.
I look forward to seeing you be here, because
You was in the bottom too last week.
you know, you really just need to humble yourself a little bit.
From what? I don't think I'll take life advice from anyone in your position.
Why are you such a cunt, honestly?
Bitch, there is a part of me that wants to lean over and just backhand that bitch. But, baby, I'm a grown-ass woman. I don't fight butch queens.
Got it!
Oh, thank God.
Ooh, girl.
Well, I know there isn't anybody in this room. The library is about to be open. Because reading is what?
What?
Gorgeous, you are such a little slut. They're gonna have to rename your throat the orphanage.
Orphanage.
You turn the kids into little whores.
No, I'm just the whore.
You are so sickening, but I think it's so funny.
Mistress, with the face only a dog owner could love.
I have to laugh.
Georges, you got an extra set of Capezios? Corey and I need a condom.
Georges, I know you dropped out of school. Would you say you're smarter than a 5th grader?
I would say so.
What made you choose diabetes over syphilis?
You all displayed. The winner of today's mini challenge is Bosco. We're hosting Talent Invitational.
Freaking out.
I do have talent. Promise.
There, you guys feeling okay?
Me and Aja, we will read down the next second we're kikiing and laughing.
The cameras went down. They were like, we're resetting. And then Mistress looked at me and said, sister.
We just made some good TV. She was playing.
Baby, I've had bigger fights with myself in the mirror.
She's one of those people that she wants to get. I've had people try to book me to come jump off of a box. Imagine you're getting married and it's like, you may now kiss the bride and bitch, I'm jumping off of a box. Book me for your wedding. You really just gotta like be on the whole time.
But what if you're not good?
Just put some ice right into the glass. All right, and last but not least, we're gonna...
I can't decide about it all the time. If you were mine, I give this pussy to you now.
Irene's feeling scared because her first talent show sucked. I can sing, I can dance, I can do stunts. And most of all, I am outrageously cunt. Wanna Vogue.
Girl, but you don't think Aja's gonna get mad that you're voguing?
Michelle Visage.
I can suck dick and cough.
La Roach.
I can dance.
Devery Jacobs.
What a wonderfully stylized individual. Who is she?
I'm gonna look her up.
It's Aja.
Yes.
Icon, 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 icon.
It's Bosco.
RuPaul. Judges. Dog. Talents are for ugly girls. I ain't gotta do it all, 'cause they mwah.
Is it bad that I kind of wanted Bosco to slip off the chair just a little bit?
Break a leg.
I'm the Get you.
Fucking ass up and work. Those aren't breasts. These are breasts.
Real, you can run me my money.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
The Midge is back!
Again.
If you don't crown me. Ginger section wins. Ginger played a dog. Ginger's lost 3 times. Ginger's dressed like a frog. I'll make you laugh like Jimmy Fallon. Queen.
It's the first time a drag queen has ever been put on the cover of...
drag queen? A drag queen? I am the queen of drag.
Skills appeared out of thin air. Trust me, my pussy's popped severely for as long as I remember.
I take time off for the holidays.
Some ventriloquism. Irene has talent.
And what is your talent? Holding up posters? Girl.
How's the weather?
It's so muggy. I don't just beat my face. I don't just get in glam. I don't just paint my mug. I serve, I whip, I dip, shablam. No, mama, go fix your mug. No, mama, go fix your mug. Bitch, go fix your face. Go change your garment, change your pattern. Bitch, go fix your lace. I eat up all these bird hoes. These turkeys make me wanna vogue.
This is a fever dream.
Don't fall now.
Are you trying to do your big one?
No.
Always craving a pork chop and cornbread while I'm walking down the Stacy Lane in Malaysia.
I'ma tell my mommy I'ma cry.
Never wanting to put the delta work into losing weight.
It's giving green couch. No, it's a fucking green couch. It's not giving anything.
Eureka! It hit me.
Actually, Mistress, I don't like you.
Or if you find that Ozempic is not for you, stick with the Darien Lakes that you're used to. Thanks, Ozempic.
Yeah. Category is foiled again.
How much of a total fucking cunt she was.
I hate you.
I'm not cinched.
Why are the arms too short to box with God?
You wanna know what's so fucked up?
What?
They're made out of a cast of my arms.
Somebody lied to you.
Somebody lied to her several times.
I just wanna see how short your heels are.
Look, I've leveled up. Little one, too.
Yes. Yes.
Heel.
Yes.
Star.
It looked like a cheap version of a plastique costume to me.
Oh, okay. Whoa, whoa.
Boxy was held in. I'm Mama D in the outer. I call him Debbie.
My magnificent mistress, my beautiful butthole. Fuck it up. Lydia! Shantae, you stay.
Never lost a lip sync on Drag Race. Thank you. I'm gonna go gain all the weight I lost back. Mwah.
Bye, pumpkin. Bye, pumpkin.
These turkeys make me wanna vogue.